Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will show how to create turtle graphics, run Python class. I am port import turtle. Turtle. You need to install turtle. Pip install turtle. T equal turtle turtle dot turtle turtle s equal turtle turtle dot screen screen and screen is screen dot background color 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 first bracket double quote black black double quote first bracket t dot white width white to line white t dot speed speed turtle animation speed 15 color color equal first bracket single quote WHITE height single quote close comma single quote PINK ink single quote close comma and CYAN san single quote first bracket FORINRANG runs first bracket 300 first bracket close clone next line T dot pen color pen color first bracket color third bracket I percent 3 third bracket close first bracket close T dot FORWARD forward first bracket I star 4 first bracket close T dot RIGST right first bracket 1 to 1 first bracket close run code okay now run amazing animation and design. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Animation close. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.